Hi YouTube, Gary from Wooden Glass Art here. I really enjoy exploring and looking at all the books in the little libraries around my neighborhood. I find the sense of community these libraries create is inspiring to me, and I just love some of the more creative and artistic looking ones. For a couple years now, I've wanted to design and build one for myself, and I finally got around to it. As I do when I'm designing something new, I take my personal motto to heart: why build simple, build beauty. And I wanted to create something unique, functional, as well as eye-catching. In this three-part video series, I'd like to show you my take on a little library, where I demonstrate creating it with an internal rotating carousel that holds the books, a curved stained glass door, steam-bent red cedar edging, an octagon-shaped roof with copper patina flashing, and an exterior mock book glass cladding. The links to all three videos are in the description below. Just a little bit of my thought process around this project. Searching the internet and looking at the libraries around my neighborhood, I found that the majority of them are square or rectangle in shape, which is understandable. But I noticed that there wasn't an example of any round cylindrical shapes. And with that notion in mind, it became my design focus. The downside to a round cylindrical shape is that the storage of books within becomes cumbersome, unorganized, and it's difficult to look through the books. So I had to spend quite a bit of time thinking about the inside and how that would work. And I came up with the idea of a spinning carousel. And for that, I had to find a Lazy Lucy strong enough to support the weight of both the carousel and the books. Sorry, I don't say the S word because my wife certainly isn't lazy. Since the Lazy Lucy is the heart of the library, it wasn't until I found this 18-inch version at my local Lee Valley store that the measurements started coming together. Also, since the library will be permanently outside, selecting the correct materials to withstand the elements of the west coast of Canada was necessary. All the exposed wood is stained red cedar. The cabinet frame has been skinned with sheets of styrene plastic and the outside cladded with glass. Due to the sheer amount of work in this project, I've had to break the build into 3 separate videos. The first video shows the creation of the carousel, cabinet, and the curved door. The second video shows creating the octagon roof, metal flashing, and the finishing cap. And the third video shows creating the curved stained glass door and the exterior cladding. In this first video, you'll see how the carousel is built, construction of the cabinet frame, applying the styrene skins, steam bending and gluing the red cedar edging, and then lastly, how the curved door was built. And that's about it for now, so let me show you. Again, this is the first video in a 3-part series. Please watch the other 2 videos to see the full process of creating this little library. Click the link above for the second video. And for you glass enthusiasts, you'll want to see the 3rd video. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.